Are you ready to transform your workflow? Discover how Gemini.ai can enhance your Google Workspace experience, streamlining tasks and boosting collaboration. In this video, we will dive into practical tips and tricks to leverage AI for smarter document management, effortless scheduling, and automated responses. Don't miss out on the future of productivity. Watch now and elevate your workspace game. So hello guys and welcome back in another video where I will show you how to use Gemini AI with Google Workspace. The first step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into gemini.google.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So Gemini.ai is an advanced artificial intelligence tool designed to enhance productivity and streamline workflows within Google Workspace. By integrating Gemini with Google Workspace, users can leverage AI capabilities to automate repetitive tasks, generate content, analyze data, and facilitate collaboration. This powerful combination allows for more efficient document creation, smarter email management, and improved organization, ultimately helping teams work faster and more effectively. So right now all I have to do is just click over chat with Gemini and you'll find a page which is this one as you can see. You have just to read this information about terms and privacy and you click over more. You have what data is collected and how it's used. Then we have here how human reviewers improve Google AI. Then we have here how Gemini application activity works with other services and settings. Then we have here request and control removal and exporting your information. Then we have additional data handling as your device assistant. Then we have here Gemini gets help from Google Assistant, speaking to Gemini as well. Then we have here supplemental features. And the last one which is terms of service. So right now let's just get started and you click over more or let's get started with this one. Alright. So all I have to do right now is just to integrate Gemini with Google Drive for seamless document management and send it to your Google Calendar to keep track of appointments and deadlines. You can also manage emails through Gmail and create tasks that send text with Google Tasks. Finally, explore automation features that and training resources to optimize your workflow. All right. So what I have to do right now is just click over settings. I will show you how you can do that. You will just click over extensions and you will find this page as you can see. Here we have various information that you have to know. For example, we have Gemini extensions help you bring it all together. And also we have here the magic of Gemini comes to your stuff. You have here turn Gemini extension on or off anytime. One conversation mini extensions. How Gemini extension help you bring it together. And right now you have just to switch on to what you want and when you work with it. For example, if it's Google Workspace, and this is the one that I will talk about. And also we have here Google Flights, Google Hotels, Google Maps, YouTube Music as well. So for example, about Google Workspace, we have here Gmail, Google Calendar, Google Docs, Google Drive, Google Keep, and Google Tasks. Find, summarize, and get quick information from your content in Gmail, Documents, Drive, and more. Then we have also here Google Maps. Tap into location-based information to bring your plans to life. You have YouTube, discover YouTube videos, and get answers about them. Alright, so let's just come back right now to the new shot. I will show you how you can do that. The first step that you have to do is just click over Ask Gemini and you select, for example, if you want YouTube, Google Maps, Google Drive, Google Docs, Gmail, Google Tasks, or Google Keep, or Google Calendar. I will select firstly Gmail and I will search for read emails. Alright. As you can see, you have 20 read emails, account security, marketing, and we have about productivity meetings, online business courses, as you can see. And right now I will just select another one and I will give you another example. For example, on YouTube, I will just search, for example, video that get bed or let's just see get more dislikes. All right, as you can see, and you will find it. All right, so let's just give another example. If for example, if you search for something, I will just go to the Google, for example, Google Maps, and I will search, for example, McDonald's. or I will just write firstly location, McDonald's, and which city? Let's just what, for example, Texas. I found one from my location, Texas, and here we have it, as you can see. And right now let's just searching for another one. For example, it's just selecting Drive, Google Drive, as you can see, folder that I have. All right, Google. So we don't have any folders on Google Drive, and let's just give another example. For example, I will just search for Google document folder that I have, as you can see. So we don't have any folder on Google Docs, and right now let's just search in another example. For example, let's select in Gmail, and I will search, for example, here emails on the box. All right, let's wait for it. I found 3 emails related to the box, newsletter, personal, as you can see. And you can also use the option if you wanna, for example, go to the Google Drive and respond for something Gmail as well, and you get started. All right. Also, we have other options like use microphone or here upload image, as you can see. Also, if you want to just, if it's a good response, you can just click over here. If it's a bad response, you click over here. If you want to just share index part, you click over here. Export to docs, draft in Gmail. And also we have here the option of report legal issue or copy as well. So integrating Gemini with Google Workspace can significantly enhance your productivity by streamlining document management, calendar, synchronization, and task organization. While leveraging these tools together, you can create a more efficient workflows, improve collaboration, and automate routine tasks. Embracing this integration will help you maximize your use of both platforms, ultimately leading to better time management and enhanced project outcomes. So this is how it works with Gemini. You can just start it as soon as possible because it's very helpful to use it. It's better than ChatGPT and also than other platforms that could help you. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead, and see you again in the next video, guys. All right.